Hello all my viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to have review on And Me PCOS tea. This product I am using for a month and after that I have brought the review for you. No promotions, no sponsorship is done for this product. This product is basically for PCOS and irregular period issues. Before that, this is my first video, so please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for my further videos and please like, comment and share the video. Menstruation or periods is a natural process and very important for every woman's health. According to a research done by Women's Fertility and Health Tracker, around 50% of Indian women suffer irregular cycles if untreated, which leads to PCOS and infertility. And 20% of Indian women suffer PCOS. This figure is only in India. The number is higher across the globe. Around 68% of Indian women has severe period related symptoms like bloating, cramps and tiredness. PCOS or polycystic ovary syndrome can be caused due to stress, adulterated food, wrong lifestyle, improper sleep and junk food, which may lead to depression, irritation or annoyance, or we can also say mood swings, and even cause major problems in pregnancy such as infertility. PCOS is not a disease but a hormonal disorder causing enlarged ovaries with small cysts on the outer edges. It means numerous small collection of fluid that fails to release egg regularly, which is important for pregnancy. It is a vicious cycle caused due to weight gain and hormonal disorder. There are many products available in the market to manage PCOS, but I found this one better. Let's have a quick review of And Me PCOS tea. This one is a tin pack. It is a loose tea. It says And Me PCOS tea for periods, weight and hormones. I have Kashmiri Kawa flavor. There are other flavors available in the market as well. It has green tea with 5 Ayurvedic herb extracts and 14 micronutrients. Now let's check its content. It has green tea, Garcinia, which is also known as Malabar tamarind, chromium, ashoka, shatavari, ashwagandha, vitamin C, ludra and vitamin B6. The company claims that the product does not have any kind of artificial color, no added sugar, no preservatives, no artificial flavor, and I think it's right because when you see the actual product you can ensure its quality. How to brew this product or how to make this tea, that I will show you guys practically by reading instructions given here. One can store this product in clean and dry place. Now let's see its nutritional facts. Its total carbs are 1.72 grams, sugar and fat are less than 0.1 gram, which is a good thing, and protein is 0.54 grams. It has lot of vitamins as vitamin C, B3, B5, B6, B2, A, D and B12. It also has calcium, which is very important, magnesium, zinc, etc. Besides this, you can also find ingredients such as cardamom, that is elaichi, almond, that is badam, clove, that is long, rose and saffron, that is gulab, and kesar. Another important thing, women who are facing thalassemia, which is a blood disorder, in that case you have to first consult a doctor before taking this product. The net weight of the tea is 100 grams. You can also see the details of the product down. Now let's see how it works. Shatavari, ludra and ashoka helps in maintaining hormonal balance. Herbs like green tea, chromium helps to boost metabolism and weight loss. but it is also important to have proper diet and exercise. Ludra and zinc has antibacterial properties to control acne problems. We can now see the actual product in the box. I am opening the lid for you. I have already used it, that's why it's open. But you can see it comes into a good plastic bag, and let's see the content. I am pouring it in the lid so that I can show you guys the actual product. You can see the actual product, it has rose petals in it. I will just pour it into my hand and show it to you. So you can see there are different types of herbs in this product. So this is rose petal. There is also clove in this, then cardamom, and we can also see almond in it. So there are a lot of other herbs as well, and there are no fillers in this product. Let's learn the process of how to make and me PCOS tea. Take 1 cup of water, boil it. The cup should be a size of coffee mug, and then transfer into the same cup. Now you will require and me PCOS tea cup with boiled water and spoon. Take 2 tablespoons of PCOS tea and put it into the boiled water and mix it well. You can now see some ingredients are leaving its natural color in the tea. Now you can see the rose petals are pale in color, and the tea is also becoming darker. It is important to strain the tea before drinking, otherwise the tea particles may come into your mouth. This tea is advisable to be consumed 1 or twice a week. My experience is good about this product, as it has helped me to reduce my weight and increase metabolism. I used to feel tired initially, but right now I can feel a good metabolism level because of this tea. I have not yet got my periods, as I have started it just a month before. It is very important to have proper diet and exercise with this tea for better results. Due to herbal content in it, the taste of the tea is also good. The MRP of this product is $6.99. I got it online for $3.99. I have mentioned the link in the description box. If you are planning to buy the same, you can buy from that link or any of the store as per your convenience. This was my short and honest review on and me PCOS tea. Please let me know your review on my first video, and also please do subscribe to my channel for further notification of my videos. Thank you.